Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading. In today's video, I'm going to be featuring this strategy I found right here on YouTube. Scalping strategy, so it works good on the 5 and 15 minute time frame, but I'm going to be showing it on the 15 minute. I'm also going to be using my backtesting software to see exactly how profitable the strategy is. So if you stick around to the very end of the video, we're going to see just how accurate this trading strategy can be. So we're going to go up here and click on indicators. First indicator that we're going to use is the high and low optimized trend tracker. The second indicator that we're going to be using is the SMA. So on the first indicator, we're going to go to settings. On inputs, I'm going to change the OTT period to 3, and then we're going to change this value to 0.7. The length, we're going to change to 14. As for the bar color, you can change the first one to green, and the second one is going to be red. So on the SMA, the only thing that we're going to do is change the input to 11. And for the style, I just change it to make it more visible. But you can feel free to customize it however you like. All right, so now this is how your chart should appear. Also, if you guys are liking today's video so far, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would smash the like button. It's really helped me out here on YouTube. Also, we still have our free Telegram trading channel that's been released. You can find the link to it in the comment section down below. It's free to join in, so you guys got nothing to lose by checking it out. So for the strategy, the first thing that we're going to be looking for is for the color of the bars. So if it's in the red, we'll only be taking short positions. We will also want to identify if it's trending above or below the 100 SMA. So if the price is closing below the 100 level, we want to make sure that the candle is red. We only want to look for short positions. After that, we wait for the bar to close below this line right here. Once those conditions have been met, we can take our short position. For the stop loss, I found it's best to set it a few points above the swing high, but at the very least, you want to set it right here on the upper level when taking a short position. And with the 1.5 risk-reward ratio, we hit our first profit target. If you'd like, you can take some profit partially at the 1 risk-reward ratio. After that, I'd recommend moving the stop loss down to minimize the losses associated with trading, because you always want to use proper risk management when making these trades, especially on scalping positions. So again, we can see right here that the price re-entered the channel, and then we had a red candle closing below this line. Normally we would take a short, but the candle is not mostly or even completely closed below the 100 line, so we're going to avoid this trade. So for a long position, we're going to be looking for the opposite. So we want to see green candles closing above this line right here. And we can see also that the price action is above the 100 level, so we're going to take a long position. For the stop loss, I found that the previous swing low is a little bit too close to the opening price, so I will set the stop loss down below the very bottom of the channel. And with the 1.5 risk-reward ratio, we hit our profit target for our first long position. Remember, you want to see that the price re-enter into this channel and then close again with a green candle above this line right here before taking another long position. Eventually, price action will begin to trail sideways. This represents consolidation, and you're going to see the channel begin to grow smaller as well. But if you are patient, eventually a new trade will show up, and we can continue to remain profitable as long as we remain patient in trading. So I'll now be using my backtesting software to see exactly how profitable this trading strategy is. Stick around to the very end and see what we find out. All right, so now we are done with the results of this strategy. We have an almost 68% win rate, which I'm going to say is quite good. More importantly, the P&L is over 41%. Of course, this is out of 50 trades. One thing that really helped with the strategy is that it compounded with a 7 consecutive win rate. The consecutive losses also were quite low. One fallback using the strategy, of course, was the amount of time that you had to wait for a trade to play through with the 100 SMA. But I'm going to say this is still good because it increases the accuracy and the profitability with using the trade, because we play in favor of which way the trend is going. So although you might have to wait a little bit longer for a trade to show up, the likelihood of it being profitable is much higher. So if you guys liked today's video, please be sure to smash the like button and also comment down below if you have any thoughts or suggestions for future content. Also, we got the free Telegram trading group out, so go ahead and check it out down below in the comment section if you think it's something you'd be interested in. Trade good, trade smart, and I'll see you guys in the next video.